Ready. We just lifted the dinghy onto the bow and bow strapping it down, and then we're pretty much ready to go. Anchors away.
It's raining outside. What is the temperature? What's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 69 degrees.
It's not even that cold.
Today, expect a high of 74 degrees.
Alexa, is it going to rain today?
It's raining right now.
Oh.
You can expect about 1.03 inches. By the way, there's a coastal flood warning for that area Thursday, December 20th, 7 p.m. to Friday, December 21st, 1 p.m.
Alright, love you, baby.
I love you too.
Alright, let's talk to you in a bit.
Okay, bye.
Bye, baby. She's back inside. She wanted to go live outside for a couple days, and now she's soaking wet, and she has water in her. That's funny. Don't want to go to work today. So that house They had a tow truck over there the other night, and they were just towing one of the vehicles they had in the backyard. The next day, they came back, and they got another vehicle. And then yesterday, there was a moving truck there emptying out the garage, and now it looks kind of weird over there. I think they might be gone. Oh well. They had a dachshund. We like dachshunds. Don't we like dachshunds? How much do we love dachshunds?
We love dachshunds so much. Oh yes we do. Dachshunds are so nice.